is raining. It's gonna rain all day. No playing out there today. Just the gloom. Hello. It is Sunday and it's a rainy day, and I thought, hey, it'd be fun to do kind of vlog-ish kind of video about how I think you should spend a rainy day. Like the perfect rainy day. So, number one, you have to do something productive. It doesn't have to be something big. We are going to do dishes as a family because it's a rainy day and it's a lazy day. And I am proof of that. I've got my big, huge no makeup. Sorry, my allergies again. Big comfy shirt, sweatpants, and slippers. Excuse the laundry that you were just privy to. That's not awkward. Number two, after do something productive, is do something fun. It has zero purpose other than to take up time and zen out and enjoy yourself and have just a good time. Have fun. Number two. You're making levels, not worlds?
No, I'm
Super Mario Maker
2.
2.
Mario Maker is broken.
What does that mean?
If I get this to work right, you'll see.
It's a very specific thing to do, though.
Are you guys talking about like glitches that people have found?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Liddy, what are you doing? Cutie.
No, it's not that specific.
This is my spot. Hello, Salon.
Okay. Number three, you must. I've messed up my numbers because I actually did 1 and 2 together. Number one, do something productive. Number two, wear comfy clothes. That's number two. Number three is actually do the fun stuff, which we just did. Number four is drink something cozy. I'm trying to decide between hot tea and cocoa. Not sure which one yet. Decide. The fifth thing you want to do is pick out some music and rock. Or pick out some music and eat lunch. Lydia's in her comfy jammies, pulling out of our music jar to play on the record player. You got it?
Got it.
Every record we own, every artist we own on the record, we have in here. What is it? Who is it? Nirvana.
Oh.
Gotta put on some Nirvana.
No, not again.
Pick something else. I will allow a substitution. So I know Daddy also doesn't care that much for Nirvana. Crazy man. We need to vacuum in here. I just saw all the Play-Doh on the floor. Oh, what is it? Foreigner! Woohoo! We'll pull some Foreigner.
Yeah.
Now the sixth thing you have to do, let's let your hair get this messy, is make soup. Soup is a must on a rainy day. This is a vegetable soup I make. So I have zucchini, cauliflower, and broccoli, and that's going to go in at 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. And then over here I have actually got to put my garlic in, and I use a ton of garlic. I probably normally use a little bit more than that. And then here I have carrots, celery, onion, a sweet orange pepper, and some butter, because it's the only fat really that goes into this. I will roast that. I'm not going to use all of this, by the way, for the soup, because I'm only making 1 pot of soup. Not like a big pot, a little pot, anyway. I will mix this up, not all of it, but a version of those. Add corn, chicken broth. I think I probably have enough salt. I definitely have enough salt. And a chicken bouillon. That's the next step. change my shirt. So, the last thing you have to do on a rainy day to make it just the perfect quintessential end of rainy day. You've had your soup for dinner. You've been hanging out. You've put the kids to bed. And now it's time to set the mood and relax. Candles are always welcome. Fuzzy blankets, definitely need those. Maybe your husband if you kind of feel like you need that or whatever. And for us, a scary video game, because we like to game. And that just sounds like the perfect way to end this rainy day. Actually, okay, if I'm being totally real, I have specific rainy day movies. Any Jurassic Park, always rains in Jurassic Park movies. That's right. Twister, if you're feeling like it's not tornado-y, don't watch it if it's super stormy or windy. It'll freak you out. I could think on it, but pick one of those movies that just feels rainy. Anyway, or play a scary game because it's gloomy. It was a dark and gloomy day. I don't know why I did that.
That's pretty much like Twin Peaks. I don't know if that's true. I don't know much about it. It was on sale
Wait.
one time for like $4.
Like the original Twin Peaks? Or like the redone? Because we haven't seen that one. The third season?
No, this game been out for a hot minute. I mean, it's not Twin Peaks. It's just
Like
I've heard-
Twin Peaks.
I've heard it's on. Okay, I was gonna do the options.
Speaking their own little language, right?
Could you wait just a little longer?
What the heck is going on, man?
This won't take long.
No, they're kind of nailing the Twin Peaks factor.
Yeah. The blue door. This is weird.